more than 6 years of experience in one video. I'm going to share with you top 5 best video enhancer apps plus free and paid options and surprise later in this video. Hey guys, I'm Hamza from Android Ultra. Hope you're doing great and fantastic. Don't you dare skip the video. New to channel, subscribe for more videos just like this one. This app is the Neopix, 2 times already reviewed on my YouTube channel, and this is the third time for a reason and the number one pick. Click on enhance button. We have various options available regarding the video, anime, cartoon, concert, portrait, HD, all kind of models available, and this is genuinely better than the Wink and Airid options if you already know. So after selection of video, you can trim or crop the video. Click on generate. This will take some time for processing. Here is the video. It looks much better, sharp, detailed. On the new signups, as for now when video recorded, you will get 50 credits and each video takes about 5 to 6 credits. Overall, this is looks much better, sharp, detailed, as you can see here. Move on number 2 option, Remini. Remini is most reliable, consistent, user-friendly option. That's why I include that, and this is totally paid option, no fee at all. Photos available with the ads but not the video. Click on video, choose the video, click on enhance. Everything is automatic, uploading, processing and downloading into your gallery. No need to do anything manually, as you can see here. Move on to announcement. I'm working on my app as I already announced, shared in one of my last videos. This is going to be the enhancer, upscaler plus the advanced video editor. So your support is needed. It's a lot of work. I'm working day and night. In upcoming days, I'm going to show you app in action and more details. Move on next app, Airid. Click on the bottom right side tools icon. Click on AI repair. Now you can see two options, 8K. Basically 8K is to everything automatically choose the best resolution model and frame interpolation, AI color, each and everything. On the basic 2K resolution one, you have various options and tools available such as resolution, model, noise, denoise, etc. You can go with the portrait with the faces, otherwise the Ultra HD or HD plus. After selection of the tools, click on enhance. This will take some time for processing. You will get about one free enhancement per week as for now when we record it. Overall video looks much better, sharp, detailed, but not as good as the Neopix. Move on fourth option, Wink. Wink is also various time reviewed on my YouTube channel and one of the most versatile option because of a lot of options available here. We have HD, Ultra HD, Portrait, AI HD, anime, cartoon, concert, text, each and everything is available, but we are going to show you the free option which is also really good. Click on AI repair. We have two options, Pro and the basic one. Pro is just like Airid one I explained, the 8K, everything is automatically chosen according to your video. On the basic one, we have a lot of tools available just like the Airid, models, resolution, you can apply AI color and so on. Choose the portrait for faces, otherwise go with the HD or Ultra HD. Quality looks great and sharp. Move on the fifth option, which is Tova AI. Initially this app is really good because of different approach compared to other apps, totally different interface, not chasing the UI, and looks really close to the Topaz kind of feel because of you have a lot of manual options available here as I show you in the advanced. In the presets we have a bunch of options available as well. We have the Topaz, so I'm gonna try the Topaz, Artemis, Proteus, Gaia and YX available here. So I'm going to go with Artemis. And the 4K resolution, we have up to 8K available. This is the only app provides you 8K on the phone. Click on generate. This will take you to the credits. You are going to go with the rarest one, but I go with the fastest option. After that, this will take some time for processing. Once processing finished, click on the processed video. 3 options available for the download. Number 2 is the most reliable, works all the time. After downloading, you can compare by slider. Let's move on to compare each and everything side by side, all of the apps to show you which one is the best. Neopix is my favorite right now. You can try it free of cost. The quality is on par and better than the Wink Airid and comparable somehow in the Remini. Remini is the consistent one if you want something different or more aggressive look. So you can go with the Neopix. Overall, all the enhancer apps work really good. Wink and Airid do a lot of processing in their portrait and old HD models. You can look for that, and sometimes it looks fake. Tova is the only option provides you 8K and the Topaz on mobile in the app. It's really close to natural, not sharp and clean compared to other ones. My favorite one is the Neopix on the number 1, Remini on the number 2, number 3 is the Tova AI, number 4 is the Wink, and number 5th is the Airid. Remini and Tova AI is totally paid options. What do you think? Let me know in the comments which one is the winner, which one is your favorite. So don't forget to subscribe, like, share with others. This is the video for today.